Hello, children. Continuing with the module Understanding Laws. In this module, we shall discuss in further the evolution of laws. How did these laws that we are following today, the Indian judicial system, how it evolved since ages? History of Indian law. Ancient India represents a distinct tradition of law. India had a historically independent school of legal theory and practice. The Arthashastra dating from 400 BC and the Manusmriti from 100 AD were influential treatises in India. Manu's central philosophy was tolerance and pluralism and was cited across Southeast Asia. Among the first lawgivers was the Manusmriti. It was the first Indian legal text introduced to the Western world through the translation of Sir William Jones. It was used to formulate Hindu law by the British colonial government. The other lawgiver was Arthashastra, written by Kautilya. Kautilya is better known to the world as Chanakya, and Chanakya was the able advisor and prime minister in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. In this book, Arthashastra, he has given a vivid description of the ancient Sanskrit treatise on the economic policy and the military strategy followed by the Mauryan rulers. Dharma-shastras. Dharma-shastras were yet another treatise of Hinduism on Dharma. There were many Dharma Shastras starting from 21 to around 100, which throw a deep insight on the type of law that was introduced by the ancient rulers. Medieval period. In the medieval period, the laws changed because medieval period was ruled by the sultans and the Mughals. During this period, mainly the law that was followed by the Mughal rulers and the sultans was the Shariat law. Now, Shariat laws are Islamic laws based on the teachings from the Quran and the preachings and traditions of Prophet Muhammad. In the modern period, the total law and the type of justice given changed. With the establishment of colonial rule by the Britishers, they established a different judicial system. Administration of justice was done in presidency towns and all those areas which were occupied by the Britishers as settlements. For example, Surat, Madras, Bombay, and Calcutta. Development of Adalat system and civil law in the Mufassil law applicable to the non-Hindus and non-Muslims. Justice, equity, and good conscience was the base of the judicial system that was focused by the Britishers. The Indian judicial system was finally evolved. It is a three-tiered system comprising of the Supreme Court at its helm, High Court standing at the head of the state judicial system, followed by districts and session courts in the judicial districts into which the states are divided. The lower rung of the system then comprises of courts of civil judges and criminal, judicial, metropolitan magistrates and jurisdiction. That's all in this module. Thank you.